PCR koye test bi £220 in UK na obedru Ghana Kotoka International Airport o se de we no wagidi de ne so sa be test foforo Ghana ha enti ewo mu se akwantufo osu tietia mu de ne so Ghana mampanyine se ya mebo me man ma ewo Ghana ho banti no he's careless onfa ho munye sa ne ma no ansa na watimi se ya spread no intimate spread at a point in time your internal borders na people were manning to avoid say enipa bi free ama horo so emfa nwuram we nyina ha ye nhyehyɛ ya Ghana ban consciously akobi at a point in time so free Europe US any other countries be Ghana mpo hotel wadu ani awudie Ghana ban na tua oka just to isolate you ni ahwe hu say aye ni bi ni ho asan ye emwa wura ni pam other countries okay, Gift Auntie be my testimony of how President Akufo-Addo and this government was using to protect the Ghanaian people. Even UK, no many others were not doing. And the United Kingdom, London, and some states, total lockdown. Go school. Nobody is going to school from university. Go see wherever. London. Any some big states be obi anywa omu nyina hye dem but yet hanom ye gi ani ye di ebronya ama ye bie school mpo ama nkwada akọ school we should tell you say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the caring competent president ayewono in the midst of coronavirus has been very exceptional why ade en nhyehyeye ene said akoma pa edani tirim ena ama Ghana ya be no pempen so ediko in the last 21st address Ghana mampanyini Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo be kai no why extend the electricity and free water to the next 3 months Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo yes an shewe some months ago na ye nuanom NDC for say about 20 out here for ni Dankwa o say coronavirus ebama MPP e de emu nhyehyeye ne ya amanyosem look at his thinking sa anyo no kwa na dwene sa o NDC for ni nyina that is how they think. And Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has shown say ya to abawie wadi nkunim anka obia anka ondwene Ghana for hu bio nenso wo see yensan extend water no extend free light no ema Ghana for ntimi engina pinti ansana yetimi ato aso kofi even one more nyuma mpo enam lockdown ni ade ntino NBSSI is giving them loans 1,000 2,000 as high as 20,000 and 50,000 to support the businesses of the Ghanaian people. It shows you say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo onye just a politician but we're very caring, we're humanitarian. Enipa wo hia no and we are ready to use every means everything about Ghana for home ban kofi I think say in all no ye be bo Ghana mampanyine ne Ghana ban ne Ghana fo ankasa kra aba so kofi at a point in time someone share them no so share them the omo cooperative any cooperation omo de ma ban en hye ne nsem an ye nyina be se ye credit anamotu ye betuo de aboyale ne ho ban no na Ghana fo so aya ade a wo se ebo maba so kofi I think say the needless politicization I free you and say no connect this over. I think they should stop being any positive in fighting the whole disease and I be to as able to. If you care me issue no your issue I think that me ni ho niema bebre me ni too much information about it but I say ya assembly members omunya abote.
For Sabe your mama live update on the State of the Nation address or your Facebook page on Akuma. Oko Parliament House Street and your debra we minority no edufie ho just for the first time I think we didn't get that whoa. It's a very interesting arrangement no my but I don't mind your Parliament House ana in your house abontin okay because I think it's almost easy ho for but because the area only different they walk off Facebook page on Akuma 87.9 FM you see what's going on live at Parliament House as at now. A president of the Republic, Ebema State of the Nation address. Right, Fuseni, you wrap up with the national issues, any of them from Ameu to the President's State of the Nation address. Now, you wrap up.
For me, no, I think the most interesting thing Baganas is saying, yes, presidents this desperate government is setting, and Mami Shishimikakra. Because now our politics is going to become money and weapons. So, wa wusikapa na wa hoden for no. Utimi Emma wabeti ye din and I say utimi kuta tune ase kan ni ye declare ma ope wafa. It is not about what has been voted for you at the polling station. It is not about the bende wunya sebi hoodlums bi no mo betututuo na odisika bi ma returning officer no nye declare ope una ye winner. And I think that is a very dangerous precedent I set. Because if you look at what happened in Zabzugu, your question minister be them and the actual pink sheet for declare mano. Techiman South, Nipa Miansewu, Yerasuka Honsem, Yankan up till now, it has come out say returning officer na nye collation bia, and so yes, so declare. So if we also polling station back box up till now, ya say no. Your county we ya enter on the pink sheet and you're finding in our say no. Up to now, yes, you declare obi. Esikado kitan basa. Oh, and share the aban yes on found se nipa kura be wu anipa wu me kase me pe majority of parliament in there and no na me pe. Yenyankan we so they amawu ye the injunction akoto so. Yenyanka injection ho asem kura nwie enne enso akọ registered da ebi say omunim de ebesi wo court ho de da say according to deputy AG kura no de electoral commission ye no wo eye sal ho no
yeah
it was unlawful
gwem no
yes
that's what the statement by
according to ono say de electoral commission na mra ma no ho kwan nti je say electoral commission no kura no wabu mra no so onu amu kura say no Ghanaians have lost trust in the electoral commission eno no ye de court say court nso no is gradually now becoming as if say ohwe the posture of the MPP court no kura mo de kora ye dia say if Ghanaians lose the trust in the court no a ebe ya betri to abetri o eno so no bomai no so ye hwe bibiye unem sebi o kase sebi brakofi me yire kra mpese one me beda as go to court te say unhu the MPP for the dua court ho a they are so confident say bibia ade kan de Japan ti mi di atam ne ya boy nsema ma no NDC MPs ko fa kwan so kakase ye the petition kwa yes police nko che omo kan de Japan ti mi ko tena TV so meshi John Mahama fie meshi Bavulo fie meshi Asedu Ketia fie meshi John Mahama meshi we we are na see the boss na sense on the buy nti no abon nsema ma no ye wura wake kan bi a kire omo won kwaso enso NDC ni ko kan bibi o radio CCC a na afre no me say bravo fi enye say yenum binum the respect we have for people like you and come for radio so crank yema
ade
because they say no there is an agenda say NDC ni nya kasa pe ni asoma police see embechew
oh really
yes that is the agenda now MPP ni betimi aka de obeka bia na yabo yensama ma no oti ase nkanya nwanwa se Kennedy Japan da so nam ha ye frɛ no honorable ni ye frɛ Haruna Idrisu adan ya or the letter yes or the letter ko electoral commission nti watomra na Kennedy Japan da so nam ho and that is the Ghana we are building now ye hwe bibi yo ye hwe bibi ye me de minim say there is no majority in parliament now
okay
NDC de enim say abana Mami Jim Mensa declare no wo bumra so ono ana de o declare kro say enye correct nti enim abakora we declare wo say wono we declare obi president so we are in court say court no be ka no kore say court no omo be hwe nyame anim ama bebia no kore dada there will be peace in this country nobody has a problem
okay
but akoye ne say court no so is another extension say the yaye electoral commission ministry of re-election now and yet now we are not building a nation we are building a monarch and that will not augur well for all of us
I see
nti amawu ye the injunction ato so a my injunction ni adwuma enye sa dia na che say amawu nim de be si o Supreme Court crack deda
and then I will share the President's State of the Nation address.
Oh me I know say our honorable members, especially on the NDC side, will conduct themselves so well. They've conducted themselves so peacefully and well up till now. I expect to say President Nanado obey the needful to try for once in his life as a president. He should try for once say this country is too divided and there is too much tension. This is not the time for Nanado showboy.
this is not the time for casting aspersions and innuendos. On try say he will do something to ease the tension in this country.
Tension will make more.
You don't know, Ragofi. You well, a word to the wise. For the mutual Monse can now that now.
Yes. Rafael, any national issue. Yeah, good.
The D kind any Ghana sumdue wa bibia ni ho asi wa. Bibia ni ho asi. Yakoto aba. Na the NDC Ura John Mahama gidi se wonte ne ho aso be court.
Okay.
Na Ghana no so yentimi fa ntwen John Mahama kopim so be court be wie. In 2012 me gidi se Ghana and China na do dan kwaku fu ado abra we na so be court. The day of declaration ni nyan declare results wie. Na mampanyi dada John Mahama no she fita obosi tu champagne. Eno na court na she mampanyi dada John Mahama nsem. Na nhyɛ ne botom nso ye court di asɛm a Ghana mampanyini na ado dan kwaku fu ado wajitum electoral commission ni hungu fin the same electoral commissioner o declare results ma NDC for say o manya 137 na o manya parliamentary seat no no na sa hwe presidential ne so o be kaya ansa na the NDC for be court no na John Mahama asɛm a o kan nyina ne say wa winning elections na we press conference and press statement share media so wa winning elections and